Sanibonani nonke. I hope you guys are fresh and looking forward to the next coming week. And then so today I'm going to talk about seasons and allow seasons to come and go in your life, and learn not to hold on to a particular season. Learn not to cling or hold on to a particular season. What do I mean by that? Allow seasons to come and go without you losing yourself in a particular season. You getting stuck in a particular season. So we all know in nature in general has 4 seasons, right? We have winter, we have summer, we have spring, and we have autumn. So don't lose yourself. Hold on to winter that you lose yourself in summer. Don't hold on to autumn that you lose yourself in spring. That's what I mean. Allow things to happen without you falling into being a victim of those things. Do you understand? Because when you hold on to a season, you eventually become a victim of that season. You become a victim of a situation that was happening during that time. So now you're holding on and you're clinging to that situation that happened in last season, that you cannot even focus on the new beginnings of this season. So that's what I mean. Let yourself feel a season. Feel summer, feel spring, feel winter, because the coldness and the uncomfort of winter will make you learn certain things and change certain things. You understand? So if we reach a season of summer is hot and lovely and nice, but also summer has storms, summer has rain. Seasons bring certain things in life, so don't focus on one particular storm and not even see the sunshine tomorrow. Don't focus on the challenges that you lose the opportunities that comes with a season. No season is easy. I want to say that no season is easy. What do I mean by that? Even sleeping in general, you having to wake up in the morning. I read somewhere one day when I was doing research that people mostly, we're not aware, but we die during our sleep. And then for some reason, your heart kicks off again when you're supposed to wake up. So that means for a certain hour or certain minutes, you've died. So for your heart, the timing that the heart has to wake up at a certain point means there's God. So even with seasons, there's a silver lining. Even with storms, there's a silver lining. Even with situations, there are new beginnings. There are lessons from those situations. So don't hold on to a situation whereby it didn't come easy or things changed, that you don't even see the beginning, that you don't see the sunshine of that season. Stop holding on that now you become a victim of a situation. Yes, you lost your job, but you don't have to carry losing your job with you. There is, I think in one of the videos that I've done previously, I said what we feel initially projects outside. So what we feel on the inside is shown outside. We project it outside. So when you're feeling bad, initially people will tell that you're feeling bad, and that's your season. You feel bad. It's now you felt bad in winter, or things happened in winter, and now you're carrying it over to summer, which is now going to carry over with in autumn. Remember, a situation only happens once. A person will only hurt you once. Now, a repetition of that situation or that incident is repeated by you. So if umuntu has sown to you or has insulted you or in summer, when you still talk about it in winter, now you holding on to that season. It happened, let it go. When uphatheke kabi in summer, you should always know there is going to be winter. And even with winter, there's going to be certain things. Autumn brings a lot of things. Life is supposed to be like that. It's not going to be rosy all the time. It will bring things, and from those things then bring other things. So sometimes you even lose more to gain even more. You lose something very precious to gain something even more. So you gain treasure. So when you lose focus just because of one season, what about the 3 that are coming? So you're not open to the 3 that are coming with different things and new opportunities. When a season has passed, because initially seasons passed, when a season has passed, or let's say this, let me put it like this: when your season has passed, learn to let it go, because now people become sour from a season. So if you, let me make an example. If you are given leadership is given for a certain time, right? So when that season of leadership is over, let go. It's over, because now if you force it, let's take it, maybe I didn't want to bring politics, but let's take it into ANC. When a season yabo has gone, or when a leader season yakhe iphelile, you become sour now because you're forcing yourself on people. People are no longer learning anything from you. The season is gone. Everything has expiry date. So when people no longer learn anything from you, people should learn and learn and learn. And whoever that has learned and held on to your teachings will forever talk about your teachings, will forever. So that's your reward. So now when you hold on because you're still trying to prove, you become sour, and now people start to disrespect you. People start to not look at you in the same way that they used to, because you've lost your season. The season is gone and you're still holding on. So make sure that you let go of a season. Let go of ubuhlungu when it's necessary to let go of ubuhlungu. You cannot carry in the 20 years ago, in 2000, now in 2022. It does not make sense. Yes, I'm not going to say to you forget. Forgetting is another topic in itself, or it's another concept. But what I'm saying is that forgive the season, forgive the situation that happened, and so that you get peace and you move on. Forgive the person that did you wrong so that you get peace and move on. But mostly forgive yourself within that season. Forgive yourself that yes, I allowed things to happen, or I had no control over things that happen. So you move on from that. There's a saying that says, at dawn it becomes more darker, or tsingisho ngesizulu, masekuzohlwa kuba mnyama kakhulu, masekuzoba sekuseni kuba mnyama kakhulu. Even with life, masekuzosemphilweni kuba mnyama kakhulu. So the more you feel like this season is getting deep, that's now light coming, like in your space or in your path. You understand? In every tunnel there must be some kind of a light. After you've gone through a long tunnel, and that's what we're talking about when we talk about letting go of seasons, so that you can meet summer and embrace the warmth. When summer is gone and it gave you storms and dust, embrace winter. The warmth of you get from feeling cold, embrace that. So each season is treated the way it's supposed to be treated, and respect seasons, because some are not coming to destroy you. Some are just coming to give you a lesson. You understand? When you went through something and you did something, una 17 and now you're 27, like the universe does not hold on to our mistakes, that it doesn't give us opportunities. The universe wants you to learn and then accept and acknowledge that I did wrong, and then move on from that. And you cannot punish. Seasons are not meant to punish you. So you cannot punish situations by being bitter all the time. That means you were not punish at the situation that happened to you. Learn to let go of seasons. Don't cling. Don't hold on. Let go. for you to be at peace, I said to you, peace is something that you work on. Inner peace is something that you work on. It doesn't come easy. Nothing in life comes easy, but learn to let go. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video. See you next time.